This is your passport and boarding card.
It is Tom's birthday weekend this weekend. This time last year we were in Sri Lanka, and this year we are somewhere very different. We are in Sofia, Bulgaria for the next 3 nights. I don't know what to expect, but so far the experience has been really good. So I'm gonna take you along with me and show you what we get up to this weekend. Come on in. This is our room. We've got a beautiful bed. And then we've got our bathroom. There's a shower in here, very cute. A toweled off one for Tom, which is great. And then a beautiful toilet. Now let me show you the balcony. A gorgeous view of the mountain in the distance, which is really stunning. I can picture us coming back from our included breakfast and having a nice coffee on this table when it's cold. Okay, time to go exploring. So we're walking to a restaurant at the moment, and we're walking through what looks like quite a residential area, and there's a big contrast between kind of like very communist looking buildings and then quite modern ones like that one there. It's very quiet. It's kind of eerie, but it's also really peaceful, so I like it. That was a delicious meal and very affordable. Loving the quality, and the attention to detail is very well presented. And Tom tried a very nice Bulgarian wine, which tasted delicioso.
Delicioso.
Good morning! So apparently it's been snowing in London and snowing in the Netherlands, but there is no snow in Bulgaria with us today. Well, maybe in other parts of Bulgaria, but not Sofia. Am I sad? Yes. But am I also happy that I'm standing in a t-shirt and I'm not freezing? Also yes. So yeah, we just had breakfast downstairs. It's included in our hotel. And now we're gonna go exploring. Okay, so it is 12:47 and we have yet to leave, but we're just taking it slow. We're gonna go do a walking tour, one of the ones that we did very similarly in Bratislava. So hopefully it's really good, hopefully we learn something, and hopefully we get to see all cool stuff. But first, we gotta get good coffee, because the coffee in the hotel, not good. Smells like good coffee. About to go on our free tour. When we say free, we don't mean free. I mean it's free to go, and then you pay what you feel, which is really cool.
you, the war is the reason. Your attention, this type of architecture. It's a new cathedral. The people wrote all the documents. Here we have belonging to red. You can see the range from above, and we'll sit in the Regional Historical Museum, but we don't call it like that. We call it the bath. For this reason, back in the day, I did many things, but more like swim in the pools with different degree of thermal. Layers with hot water underneath, and several places about the meaning of it. Yes, exactly. Thus, our city. Traditional socialists, they got inside the church, and you can visit
So das Instagram
We just finished our tour. It was really good. The guide was very detailed, but got all the right information across without being boring. Would honestly highly recommend doing this tour. I'll link it in the description below. We learned a lot about the history and a lot about kind of the different cultures and mixes of people throughout history that have come to make Bulgaria their home. So it was really awesome. You basically get all the touristy stuff without being in a tourist environment because it's run by locals, and they make it feel quite personal, like you're walking with a friend. And I am just gonna sit and reflect on that for a bit. We did just go in the church, but you're not allowed to film, and I kind of like that because it's quiet and peaceful and feels more like a church should, not just people taking pictures for the sake of taking pictures, like I'm doing right now. Haha. So we bought some souvenirs, which we don't normally do, but this lovely baba, which apparently means grandma, which is a sign of respect for anyone who could be a grandma's age. We bought some rose perfumes, which smell really nice, and it's quite a traditional thing here. And she also gave us these cute little protection bracelets that are the flag of Bulgaria, or in the colors of the flag of Bulgaria, which I love, and she's so cute. We also learned how to say thank you in Bulgarian on our tour, and it's Blagodaria vi.
Yep.
Tom, try.
Blagodaria vi.
We're pros. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Здравствуйте. Един греш, когато...
So a fun fact about the parks is that the benches in the park are movable. So if you're in a group of friends, you can move them to sit across from each other or bring them closer so that everyone is sitting together, which I thought was a really fun fact from our tour.
Yeah, it's like it's Bulgarian one.
We just got back to the hotel. We're gonna chill for the rest of the evening by going for a little sauna, steam, maybe a swim in the pool, and then we will see you guys in the morning for Tom's 28th birthday. Can't wait. All right, bye. Happy birthday!
Thanks, Jeff.
We're gonna head out. I have the hiccups. Oh great, nice. A vibe. We're gonna take the train into the town and do some more exploring. It is cold and it is wet. Not gonna lie, I didn't know there was a metro until yesterday when the tour guide told us. Oops. Just came out of the metro, was quite good, quite efficient, very new, not super crowded, which was nice. So yeah, off to get coffee at 1:30 p.m. Had another delicious coffee and met a lovely man who told us a bit more about Bulgaria, which is really awesome. Those kinds of interactions really make traveling worthwhile for me, and I think for Tom as well, because you actually get to speak to people and hear about their lives, and I think that's just awesome. So I am very happy, and I really like the coffee. It's really f***ing good, so go. The owner of the coffee place is actually a coffee expert, so in like the same terminology as a wine sommelier or master of wine, Mr. Dabov is that. Yeah. We are on our way to the Red Flat Museum. It's a communist museum, kind of like a everyday life in communist Bulgaria, which is really exciting. Very much looking forward to learning about it. I'm trying not to break my foot as I cross over, but yes, I will take videos and show you what it was like.
Where are we going?
So we're in an apartment building. I think it's actually in a flat, and it's like a staged presentation of what life was like back then. This is very interesting. Happy birthday! We just got back to our hotel room and they brought a cake for Tom.
I love a glutinous tiramisu.
It's the thought that counts. After a fantastic and relaxing day, we are going to chill for the rest of the evening and enjoy the last few hours of Tom's birthday. The museum that we went to earlier, the Red Flat, was awesome, really interesting, great audiobook, would highly recommend. It was just a good place to learn, and it wasn't one of those museums where you leave feeling drained. You feel refreshed, which was cool. Good morning from our final day in Sofia. We are about to check out of our hotel and then head off into the city for some final exploring. We're gonna get a coffee from our coffee place, and then we are going to go to the women's market. And then we've got a third thing that we will keep a surprise until the end. So let's get this show on the road. Well, that was another excellent coffee experience. We got to speak to some locals again, and they are so nice. I think Bulgarians honestly rate as some of the more friendly people that we've met in our travels. Very cool. All right, off to the women's market. We are making our way to our final stop today before we head to the airport. Can't wait to show you what it is. But yeah, after that I'll sign off and see you guys next time. Not bad. Oh my god, so many pigeons. Tom making friends. Where are you going? The corgis aren't here today. Okay, so we were gonna try and go to a corgi cafe, but the corgis aren't here today. So we're gonna go somewhere else. Sorry to disappoint and for all the hype. But yeah, thank you so much for coming with us to Bulgaria. Sofia is a beautiful place. You should definitely come. You should definitely try out the coffee. You should definitely do the tour. It's amazing. It's a really cool historical place, and I'm sure you'll love it if you go. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.
Happy birthday, Tom.